Welcome everyone. Today we are working on the Corvette behind me over here, and we are installing a new didgeridoo. This is a dual chamber didgeridoo, and what you can do with this is eliminate your cats, and it allows for a little bit more exhaust noise, and of course this is lighter than the stock didgeridoo. Now let's take a clip of what the car sounded like with the stock one. Now, we should also do an open header clip because I have the headers open right now. Now it's time to go ahead and install this pipe. As you can see, I broke off one of the exhaust studs, so I had to run to the store and get new ones. These came from the auto parts store. It's just a Dorman package of 4. Looks like this. Comes with the nuts. There's the part number, 03131. And we're gonna throw this bad boy on, see what it sounds like. All right, so I'm bolting on the X-Pipe now, and the stock donut gaskets didn't want to go on the aftermarket X-Pipe, so I got some Graphoil gaskets from the auto parts store. Yeah, so these gaskets have a much better fit than the stock gaskets. I think these pipes are, or this X-Pipe is cheaply made, and so that's why we're having the fitment issue, but it was very inexpensive, so it's kind of worth it. $200 for the whole X-Pipe is not bad. Alright, so the X-Pipe is in. It sounds really nice. I'm just going to take a video of it real quick. There it is going out the back and connecting up to the front there. I'll get an exhaust clip for you guys. So the car is warmed up now, so I can show you what this exhaust sounds like. I'm going to turn it into track mode. Here's track mode. So now the valves open up. So you can hear it's louder. There's a little bit more of a bite. And that will allow me to hear the exhaust on the racetrack. So if I blip the throttle right now, the valves are closed. The car sounds just as quiet as stock. So even with this exhaust upgrade, the car sounds very quiet. Now if I open the valves, we're in track mode again. I just heard the valves open. You can hear the exhaust got loud again. I'm gonna leave the window up this time, and we'll accelerate, and you can hear what the exhaust sounds like with the window closed. You can hear the exhaust is louder. I'm gonna get on it right here. Very nice sound. So definitely a worthwhile upgrade. That's all I have for you guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you enjoy your car.